If you're looking for the best motorcycle shed, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best motorcycle sheds that offer reliable protection, durability, and value for money. We've compared these motorcycle storage sheds based on build quality, weather protection, space, ease of installation, price, and real user feedback. Whether you want to protect your bike from rain, sun, snow, or dust, this list will help you find the right option. All the product links are available in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. Number 1, Pro-Ease Heavy Duty Motorcycle Shelter Storage Shed. Taking our top spot is the Pro-Ease Heavy Duty Motorcycle Shelter, a premium outdoor storage solution designed for serious protection. This motorcycle shed is made from 600D polyester Oxford cloth with PV coating, offering excellent resistance against UV rays, water, dust, and corrosion. The sturdy 0.9-inch galvanized steel frame ensures the structure remains solid and non-deformable, even in harsh weather. With its large interior space, it easily accommodates motorcycles, scooters, bicycles, and more. Mesh ventilation windows on both sides help maintain airflow and reduce heat buildup, while the rolling curtain door makes access easy. Pro-Ease also includes expansion bolts, metal brackets, and a safety lock for added security. Pros: spacious design, strong galvanized support frame, secure lock included, easy ground installation. Cons: price is slightly higher than competitors. If you want a durable, long-term motorcycle shelter, this one is hard to beat. Number 2, Vevor Heavy Duty Motorcycle Storage Shed. Next up is the Vevor Heavy Duty Motorcycle Storage Shed, known for its all-weather performance. This shed uses upgraded 600D Oxford fabric, making it waterproof, tear-resistant, and UV protected. The reinforced steel frame provides excellent stability, while mesh ventilation windows and roll-up flaps keep moisture and heat under control. It also comes equipped with reflective panels, expansion nails, weight bags, and an anti-theft lock, ensuring your motorcycle stays safe even during strong winds or nighttime parking. Pros: waterproof and UV-resistant anti-theft lock included. Solid all-round protection. Cons: may develop rust over time. Slightly compact for larger motorcycles. This is a solid mid-range option for riders looking for dependable protection. Number 3, Happy Travel Bike Storage Shed. At number 3, we have the Happy Travel Bike Storage Shed, a versatile and portable option. Built with 210D Oxford cloth and silver coating, this shed offers strong waterproofing and UV protection. The 9mm fiberglass poles provide stability, and its compact size makes it ideal for patios, yards, or group cycling setups. It can store up to 4 bicycles or 2 motorcycles, and the double zippered doors allow for easy access while keeping your gear protected. Pros: quick setup in under 10 minutes. Lightweight and portable multi-purpose storage. Cons: zippers can be stiff. Pole elastic feels thin. This shed is great for casual riders and those who value portability. Number 4, Happy Travel Outdoor Motorcycle Storage Shed. Coming in at number 4 is the larger version of the Happy Travel Outdoor Motorcycle Storage Shed. With an impressive size of 8 feet by 7 feet by 5.6 feet, this shed offers more space than most competitors at a reasonable price. The segmented pole design allows you to adjust the size or reduce it when needed. It features 210D waterproof Oxford cloth, a PE bottom, taped seams, and large mesh panels for ventilation. Setup takes around 10 minutes, making it convenient for both storage and camping use. Pros: extra large storage capacity, adjustable pole design, good ventilation and weather protection. Cons: Fiberglass poles are less durable. Tent stakes could be better quality. This is an excellent choice if you need maximum storage space on a budget. Number 5, motorcycle tent shed for camping, Wolfwalker. Rounding out our list is the Wolfwalker motorcycle tent shed, perfect for camping enthusiasts. This unique design combines a motorcycle shelter and a sleeping tent, comfortably fitting a full-sized motorcycle plus 2 to 3 adults. It features 4 entry points, mesh panels for airflow and privacy, and waterproof rainfly and flooring for all-season use. Made with aircraft-grade aluminum poles, this tent is lightweight, durable, and easy to carry. It also folds down compactly for travel. Pros: premium build quality, spacious and versatile. Ideal for camping and touring. Cons: setup can be complicated, higher price point. If you love motorcycle camping, this is one of the best options available. That's all for today's Best Motorcycle Shed Top 5 review. All the product links are listed in the description below for easy access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our daily uploads. Thanks for watching and ride safe.